Here's how to set up the Whoop 5.0 with your phone and get it working. Now, the first thing you will notice when you open the little box is that you have your Whoop band with the little charger. Well, it's just a cable, it doesn't really have a block, so you're gonna need a block for that. And it has the battery pack. Now, what I do recommend that you do right away, guys, is go ahead and charge this app. Go ahead and connect it. You can use this little cable in here, which is a regular Type-C, or if you already have another Type-C, just go ahead and charge it up. Why do we need to charge this app? Because in order to connect our Whoop 5.0 to our phone, we're gonna need to charge the device, and that is done using this battery in here. If you don't know how to charge your Whoop, all you have to do is just slide the battery down. Now, I've noticed that it doesn't really matter which way you do it. The W could be facing upwards or downwards. As long as you slide it in there, it should connect without issues, and as soon as it turns on, that means it's charging. I don't know if my camera is picking up the light. Now, the first time you're setting up the Whoop, this will need to be on in order for it to connect to your phone. Now, while this is charging up, what we need to do in our phone is download the Whoop app. This is the app that you're going to need to download. It's called Whoop Performance Optimization. I'm gonna go ahead and update it because I already had it downloaded, because as you can see, I have the Whoop 4.0. Now, if you have the 4.0 instead of the 5.0, I recommend you go ahead and watch the video I made on the 4.0, because most likely, if you have the 4.0, this is the first time you're getting the Whoop. A lot of you have already had a Whoop before and are getting the new update after you purchase your membership. So this video is probably going to suit those of you that purchase a membership rather than those that are just giving it a free trial. Now, after we install the app, or if you already had it perhaps and you updated it, you're gonna go ahead and open it. And like I said, if this is the first time you're running the Whoop app, you're gonna have to sign in. And as you can see, I have a horrible recovery. Ignore that. You're gonna have to sign in as soon as you open the app. It's gonna have you put in your account if you already have an account. Perhaps when you purchase your Whoop, you created an account. Just make sure you sign in with the account where you purchase your membership. If you use a different account when you're signing in, your membership is not going to show up in here. So it's very important that you use your account, okay? And if this is the first time you're signing in into the Whoop app, if you don't have an account at all, I do recommend that you go watch our video on the 4.0 instead, because that one goes over on how to create your account and how to connect the device for the first time. Like I said, this video is more aimed to those of you that just got the 5.0. Now, let's say that you already signed in and you were a free user and you have your account in here. To connect the new device and disconnect the old one, what you want to do is head over to More in here. And now you will see that you have the option to pair your 5.0 device, because, well, you already purchased it, you already got it, and they know that it was delivered. So what you have to do now is press where it says pair your Whoop 5.0. That is going to put you in here and guide you through the setup process. If this is the first time you were logging into the app, it's probably going to place you in this screen right away without having to find it yourself. So what you want to do right now is check for the serial number on the Whoop. So let's go ahead and open it. Now, to open the Whoop, you find the W here, and then you just push it up in here. You have to push a little bit hard, and then it's like a clasp that just open. You could take this out in here, you don't need that, and then look for that serial number here on the side, and then it should show right here. And as you can see, that is the exact same number, it's matching. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select that device right here. Then you're going to confirm the Bluetooth connection. Make sure you also have your Bluetooth on. You gotta keep your Bluetooth on the whole time when using your Whoop. And then right away, my Whoop has connected and is ready to be used. I'm gonna go ahead and press continue here. Now I'm gonna take off my 4.0 and I'm gonna put on my new 5.0. Now guys, after the Bluetooth part has been done, you're really ready to start using your Whoop 5.0. Now what I do recommend that you do is that you head over to home, you press on the device right here, and then you allow this app to broadcast your heart rate to other apps. So if you have an iPhone, you can see your heart rate in all the other apps and stuff like that. You could rename your device in here, and also you could go to advanced and unpair any other Whoop. If you still have your 4.0 connected, you could unpair it from here. And if you go back to more right here, you could gift your 4.0 to somebody. So perhaps when you purchase the 5.0, you decided you wanted to give your 4.0 away, this is the moment to do so. Just go ahead and follow the steps in here. It's gonna guide you on how to do it through here. Super easy. And there you guys have it. That's pretty much how to set up the Whoop 5.0. Super easy, straight to the point. I hope this video helped you out, guys. If it did, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.